Get paid by the day.
We're here at Stainless Works Factory, and we'll show you guys the inside here in a little bit, but I wanted to do a little video
and get the same amount of pay. I've made more
show you
money.
what they got
That's how my
on
brain
the table.
works. Yeah, I'm with you.
And everything. Headers, exhausts. Right, T?
No, you know I never agree with you.
I know.
Where the hell do you think I'm going to start now?
I know. Well, we are moving here apparently.
So, what's up, dwellers? So, Stainless Works, Metal Fab, and my favorite, Reaper. Okay, nothing to do with the Camaro, obviously my Jeep.
Yep.
But these are the guys. Oh, look, he has a shirt. Okay, but ignore him because we're here for Camaros. Sorry, bro. He's like, oh, my heart.
I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to do it again.
No, they can't do it.
Again. He said again. He's not going to cry again.
More than one time.
All the Camaros are, well, they're gone now, but they were out here earlier, and these nice people took us on a tour of the inside of this facility and showed us how, like, the headers are made and the metal is bent and all of the crazy aftermarket crap that we put on our Camaros is made. And I'm sure this guy could probably, like, give you more technical verbiage than crap that I just used. So,
so yeah, we start all the way back at 67 as far as the Camaro goes, all the way to current. 3-inch, 2.5 for pretty much every one of them, you know, all the way to current. Headers, exhaust, for early models, LS swap, 1st gen, 2nd gen, 3rd gen, 4th gen. So really, you know, wide variety for anything Camaro.
Awesome. And Jeep. So, because most of us have Jeeps for
daily drivers.
Yep,
Exactly. Yeah. So yeah, our Reaper off-road line, you know, Jeep, JK, JL, Bronco,
He's
Gladiator.
straight lied to you. Look at this book that doesn't exist.
Yeah, exactly. So, t-shirts too.
Oh, look at that.
There's your t-shirt.
Oh, that's awesome.
Reaper shirt!
She's all excited. She loves the Reaper. As we all know.
He's gonna be pissed because he just put a bumper on my Jeep and now I'm gonna change it.
Yeah.
So, anyways, y'all, if you want to redo anything on your Camaro, check these guys out.
Yep, it's just,
if you want to redo what you redid on your Jeep, check these guys out.
Yep. Our Stainless Works is stainlessworks.net. You can give us a call, 800-878-3635. Reaper Off-Road is just reaperoffroad.com. Same number, so you can just give us a call.
Awesome. We'll put it down below for you so that you guys can see that, and check out the tour we just took on our video.
We'll post it here in a second. Thanks, guys.
Peace out, guys.
Appreciate it.
Reaper, babe.
More cars are showing up.
We'll have to change Vixen's name to Reaper.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Got show live.
What's his nuts is here?
Yeah, he's right there. Let's say hi to Jake. Great, dude. Great.
Yeah. Well, let me see. That was still $900 for the driver's side, $800 for the passenger side. Yeah.
Tracy 01. With yellow calipers. Custom. Maybe a 1,000 horsepower beast right here.
Yeah, we can ship it to you too.
Hydro cutters, laser cutters, benders. CO2 lasers here as well. It's a huge facility. Stainless Works, check them out for your headers and exhaust systems. What's up, Tonya? Where are we today with the NEOCC Camaro Club?
We're at Stainless Works.
Stainless Works.
In the belly.
In the belly of the beast. Where they make exhaust systems, headers, and apparently Jeep bumpers now, too. And stainless piping. So we're going to tour the facility with the club.
Pipe benders.
Pipe benders. Look at these headers. We're going to tour the facility with the club and speak to the guy who works here. We're about to go into look at all these boxes for Stainless Works. Customers ready to go out and because what do they get? They're buying some headers. And exhaust systems. Headers and exhaust systems. Here at Stainless Works in Ohio. Oh, look at those headers. There's a lot of headers in here. Oh my god. Past inspection product?
Yeah, past inspection, just waiting to get boxed up.
That's awesome. Look at these guys. Beautiful product. America.
So that data is what the two vendors actually